With the release of the iPhone SE4, people are now faced with a decision. Should they go for the latest budget-friendly iPhone SE4 or option for the older but higher-end iPhone 14? Let's break down the key differences and decide which one is the better choice. First thing first, the design and build quality. The iPhone 14 features a premium glass and aluminum design with Face ID, a 6.1-inch OLED display, and a notch. On the other hand, iPhone SE4 expected to have a design similar to the iPhone 14, but at a lower cost, likely using slightly cheaper materials while still bringing Face ID and an edge-to-edge screen. Let's talk about performance and chipset. iPhone 14, powered by older A15 Bionic chip. iPhone SE4, expected to have the newer A18 chip, making it faster and more efficient performance with Apple Intelligent. So, winner iPhone SE4 newer, more powerful chip. Now the camera system, iPhone 14 has dual 12-megapixel cameras with night mode, photonic engine, and cinematic mode. iPhone SE4 expected to have a single camera setup, likely similar to the iPhone SE3 or iPhone XR, meaning no ultra-wide lens and limited low-light capabilities. So here, easy whiner iPhone 14 for better camera system. Now battery life, iPhone 14 decent battery life with an efficient OLED display. iPhone SE4. If it follows the SE line, it may have the same battery as iPhone 14, but the newer chip could optimize power usage. Here whiner iPhone 14, unless Apple significantly improves iPhone SE4's battery. Now the price. iPhone 14. Prices may drop since it's an older model. iPhone SE4, as a new budget model, it will be cheaper than the iPhone 14 while offering a newer chip. iPhone SE4 cost around $500. iPhone SE4 for more affordable with new tech. Final decision. Which one should you buy? Go for iPhone 14. If you want a premium feel and better build quality, prioritize a better dual camera system. You need better battery life and an OLED display. Go for the iPhone SE4. If you want the latest processor at a lower price, prefer a compact, budget-friendly device. And you don't mind a single camera setup. Overall winner iPhone 14 for most users, while the iPhone SE4 is newer and may offer a better chip. The iPhone 14 still provides better overall value with a superior display, better cameras, and a more premium feel. If you find the iPhone 14 at a good discount, it's the better choice for most people. However, if you're looking for a newer, budget-friendly option with modern design and Apple Intelligent at low price, the iPhone SE4 is still a great pick.